Variation number 2, we're gonna do now passadas para trás. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotation. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotation. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotation. 1 and 2. What you laughing, George? 3 and 4. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Beautiful. And right now, we're going to show the gentleman step on this movement. Like the movement before, we went para frente, that means forward. And this movement, we go back, and that means para trás. Now, leaders, as you start right here, you're going to do 5 to 3, 5 steps back. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, small steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elevate on your top. 5, and then we go 6, 7, 8. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And top, 6, 7, 8. Now your 5, you will push a little higher. It's like doing, it's called mwah. Again, one more time. It's called mwah. One more time. Again, it's called mwah. But it's not mwah with your lips. It's with your hips. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, mwah. 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's rotate to the other side. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Rotation. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Rotation. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7. Rotation. And 1, and 2, and 3. Now 4. Now for the next movement, the follower is going to switch place with us, and they're going to show their steps. And let's go, ladies. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the hips. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the hips. 6, 7, 8. Now Flavie right here and her gang, they will show you on 5. On 5, the movement on 5. 5 and 6. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is called the ginga. All right, now we're going to start from the top and rotation. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, ginga, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, ginga, 6, 7. Rotation. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the 5. Look. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the 5. 6, 7, 8. Rotation, rotation, rotation. Bongolo, rotation. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Rotate, rotation, 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 rotation. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotation, 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 and beautiful. Now, the leaders are going to join the followers, and now we're going to do all this movement, sequence number 2, para trás. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Step 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now really slow with the music, counting. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, now 7, now 8. Now let's rotate. 5, and 6, and 5, 6. Normal tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotation. 1, and 2, and 3. Now 4. Let's go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Rotate. Rotation, rotation, rotation. Get your steps. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotation, 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 rotation. Now, I know, beautiful job, my people at home. Beautiful job, my people at work. Beautiful job. Now, let's try to put the music together so that way we can practice our kizomba. Because by now, you are considered a kizombe.